1 Minute Polish, Program 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Polish from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Ania, your teacher for this program, and I'm here to teach you some Polish, 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what przepraszam, nie rozumiem means? It means I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about mówię trochę po polsku? It means that you speak a little Polish, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Polish now. Today, we're going to learn how to say I'm learning Polish. You would say uczę się polskiego. Now, that probably sounds a bit difficult. I'll say it slowly. Uczę się polskiego. Try it one more time. Uczę się polskiego. If you were to say this to someone, you could add in the phrase to jest dość trudne. This means it's quite difficult. Try saying that. To jest dość trudne. Try it again. To jest dość trudne. Now, try to put both phrases together, and I'll say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase. Uczę się polskiego. To jest dość trudne. Listen again. Uczę się polskiego. To jest dość trudne. One more time. Uczę się polskiego. To jest dość trudne. And that's the end of this lesson. Hopefully, you're not finding Polish too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Polish with this podcast enjoyable. In the meantime, dziękuję for listening and come back next time to learn more Polish with the Radiolingua Network. Do widzenia!
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.